This 2016 Newmar Bay Star Sport 3004, sale pending is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Fossil Decor, Astoria Glazed Maple Cabinetry interior, Sleep 6, Slideout, TV, water heater, microwave, air conditioning, external shower, TV antenna, self-contained, oven, auxiliary battery, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, full wall slide, mid-bunk, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2016 Newmar Bay Star Sport 3004, sale pending is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton V-10 6.8L 362 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.